welcome back with another video. And today me and my friend are going to be real fidget trading. So we're going to get all of our fidgets together. So here's yours. But these are actually, we fake fidget traded before, but now we're going to real fidget trade. So because I'm getting all mine back. Yeah, we're going to real fidget trade. Ashley, we're going to Yeah, we're gonna real fidget trade and stuff, so we're really excited to
This
do
one
that.
was mine. I could swear on my phone.
Oh yeah, that's yours. This is yours.
Yep.
She has a really cool fidget. Okay, we're all settled together. Okay, so I'm gonna do first. Trading weird person. Kind of like a Nova. Okay, what's your offer?
This.
Ooh, can I feel it? Oh my god, I actually really like that.
This pop tube.
Ooh,
And that's it.
deal. This is really cool.
Me up and we can play the bass.
Okay, I'm gonna go next. Guys, so I'm gonna scam her. Yeah, okay. So, give me my stress ball. Actually, stop. This is mine. He took it. So, guys, I'm going to scam her, but she can't hear me right now. This is actually real fidget trading. Okay,
Why did you have to say that again?
what?
This is actually real fidget trading for the second time.
I don't know, because I don't know. They always not believe me. So, trading big bite chain.
Me.
Okay, that's your offer.
This. And this thing.
Add.
You're trying to scam me. This is fair trade. Decline.
I'm not trying to scam you, I swear. Guys, I'm not trying to scam her, but guys, this is actually really good. I would never do that trade. I hate snakes. Okay. Go.
Trading this, what's it called?
Jacob's
Jacob's
ladder.
ladder. Going once, going twice.
Yes, I'll offer.
Going three
I'll
times.
offer this water.
Can you please add?
I know, I'm adding. I'm just showing. I'll add this snowball.
Yeah, because I really like that Jacob's ladder.
Decline, you're trying to scam me.
No, I'm not. I just really love
No,
this Jacob's ladder.
no.
And it's amazing.
Guys,
Look at
she's
this.
trying to scam me.
It's so good.
No. Trading marble mesh.
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
Me.
Ooh, look at this poppet, guys. This is one for, DIY poppets. Really cool. Oh my god, where are you going?
This,
Deal. Guys, I got this.
Please trade that, please trade
I'm glad. Ah! She just scammed me. It's fine. Okay. Trading, color changing stress ball.
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
This.
Okay. No trade backs. You can't trade back, Jordan.
Fine.
Okay, so I got this. She got
Trading the stress ball.
No. You can't do that.
Okay, fine.
Okay, trading or read.
Me.
Okay, wait, what's your offer?
Kind of me. Okay, this wacky track.
Waiting.
This other wacky track.
Jordan, when you're recording, you record, okay, what you're gonna give, okay?
Okay, so I'm doing this wacky track and this wacky track. Because I heard you love wacky tracks. Oh, I love this little fruit needle. So cute. Trading this stress ball thingy. What's your offer?
These two.
Deal. Wait, you took one of mine.
No, I didn't. Yes? No, remember when we did, this is one of them's Play-Doh and one of them's not.
We didn't use purple Play-Doh.
It's not purple, it's green. green and orange.
No, what? Purple.
You're colorblind. She's colorblind, guys.
These are the exact same.
Do they feel the same? No.
Yes. Just that one has less. Okay, ready?
See? It's green and orange.
And what color is this?
Purple. Now do you feel dumb? Okay, give that back. Oh, wait, you take that. It was your trick. Okay. Trading color changing Nita.
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
This. And this.
Deal. Yes. I really like this, guys. It's really cool.
I love this Nita.
Okay.
Trading the circle pop.
Me!
What's your offer?
Simple dimple.
Add one
Laugh
thing.
track. Yes. Can't believe I got this.
Can't believe I got this. Oh, and I have like 8 more pops at my house.
What did you say? You want more poppets? It's fine. I have 5 poppets now. Trading. I don't know what that's called. What's your offer? What's your offer?
This ugly ass wacky trap.
Add.
This ugly ass snake.
Can you add like real stuff?
This iPhone 11.
Okay. No. I can't believe you got an iPhone. I'm gonna use it. What's the password?
I'm not gonna say.
No, I got it anyways. Let's check your social media.
Wait, how did you get in?
I know your password.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm on her TikTok account. And I'm looking at her social media.
Bitch.
Correct.
So she took my phone, so I'm gonna take her phone. Bitch. It's the vibe for me. I miss my iPhone, so I'm gonna take hers. It's oh, and she's just saying it's real trading. It's actually fake trading.
What did you say?
I said I'm stealing your phone.
Well, I'm looking through your content.
Oh, frick! She's looking. This is fake trading, not real.
No, it is real. Why are you saying it's fake?
I'll be right back. I'm going to the potty room.
It's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me.
I'm actually not. I'm just saying it's actually fake trading, not real. She's just saying it's real because she doesn't want us to know. Okay? Thanks. Oh, shoot.
What did you say?
I said I love Ashley very much. And for her birthday, I'm going to get her an iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Ew.
My perfect.